turns its head all the way around. Can you do that with your head? No? Oh, look at it. It's flying at night time. Do you like going out in the middle of the night?
No, I'm scared of the dark.
Oh, you're scared of the dark, are you? God, these owls are amazing. And look at these penguins.
Krill and squid, but they need to watch out for hungry orcas and sea lions.
I can't see lions.
Both parents must work to keep the chicks fed, so one hunts, the other waits on the nest.
Hi, did you get some fish? Sorry, I guess we'll have to eat burgers again. Dear.
They might look like tiny waddling waiters, but a gentoo penguin has to be one of the most amazing animals.
Hey Pete, would you like to live where a penguin lives?
No, it's far too cold for me.
Oh, you don't like the cold, do you? Oh.
I like it hot.
You like it where it's hot? Oh, okay. Hey Pete, talking about penguins, let me show you on the iPad what Jesse from church has done. Look at that. He's coloured in a picture of a penguin.
A mummy and baby penguin.
Isn't that great?
Mm-hmm.
And his brother Ronnie, look what he's done. He's done a flamingo.
Wow, it's standing on one leg.
Isn't that great as well?
Mm-hmm.
They're so different, aren't they? Flamingos and penguins. Now I've got something else to show you. You know Caleb from church?
Yes.
Well, Caleb has drawn some blackbirds from his garden. Have a look at these.
Wow.
Look at those.
They're flying to the tree.
Blackbirds are so different from flamingos, aren't they?
Yes, they are.
Wow. I've got even more pictures to show you. All these children from church have been drawing us pictures of different birds.
That is great.
It is great. Let's have a look at these. We've got a picture from Ollie,
Mm-hmm.
one from Gracie.
Okay.
We've also got one from Patchy,
Amazing.
and we've got one from Becca. Isn't that amazing? And that's not all. We've even got one from Sanka. Shall we have a look at them all together?
Yes, please.
Let's go.
Ollie's bird is flying. Gracie has made lots of flamingos. Patchy's two birds are so cool. Wow, Becca, what a beautifully coloured bird. Sanka, they're amazing.
Weren't those pictures absolutely brilliant?
They were great.
That's right, they were great. And what I noticed is that they were all different. All the birds were different. Different shapes,
Yes,
different sizes,
yes,
different colours.
yes.
They were all different.
I think I would like to say thank you to them all.
That's really nice, Pete. You'd like to say thank you to all those children. Well, how about you go off and think of how you're going to say thank you to them while I talk to the children on their own for a minute.
Okay,
See you later.
bye.
Wow, weren't those bird drawings really great? Did you notice how different all the birds were? Now, last week we found out that God was the creator and that he made the animals out of nothing. And we found out that he created all the sea creatures on day 5 of creation. Well, on day 5 of creation, he also created all the birds. Now, he didn't just make one type of bird, or 2 types of bird, or 3 types of birds, he made thousands of different types of birds. And they're all so different. They're all different shapes and sizes. And they're all different colours. He made some to live in hot countries, like parrots. And he made some to live in really cold countries, like the penguin. He made some with just one main colour, like the flamingo. And he made other birds with lots of colours. He made some of his birds to come out during the day. And he made some of his birds to come out at night when it was really dark and quiet, like the owl. Some of his birds have got beautiful singing voices, like the nightingale. And other birds do quite strange things. They bang their heads against tree trunks, like the woodpecker, who's pecking to get some insects to eat. But they're all different. Some have got long legs, some have got short legs. Some of them have got long beaks, some of them have got short beaks. They're all different. So what does this tell us about God? Well, it tells us firstly that God has an incredible imagination. In order for him to think of all those different types of birds, he must have a wonderful imagination. And secondly, it tells us that God loves variety. That means that he loves things being different. He doesn't like things to be the same. He likes birds to be different. You see, God's creation isn't boring, is it? It's exciting. It's full of colour and it's full of interest. It really, really is exciting. God says that it was good that the flamingo is different to the sparrow, or that the eagle is different from the robin that we often see on a Christmas card. And you see, God made us as well. And he made us all different. Some of us are taller than others. Some of us have got better singing voices than others. Some of us have got hair colour brown. Some of us have got hair colour blonde. Some of us haven't got any hair. But that's the way God made us. He made us to be different because God loves it that we're all different. So, thank God for the birds. Thank God that he made them all so different. And thank God for the way that he made you. That he made you different from your friends in school. Now, speaking of being thankful, I wonder what Pete got up to with saying thank you to all the children from church. Shall we find out? Pete!
Tell me who